Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to delete a contact on WhatsApp using the PC app. Whether you're looking to clean up your contact list or remove someone you no longer need to stay connected with, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your contacts and chats. Next, locate the contact you want to delete. You can either scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top of the screen to find them quickly. Once you've found the contact, click on their name to open their chat. Now, look at the top of the contact's information page. You'll see an edit icon. Click on it. This will take you to the editing options for that contact. From here, find and click on the Delete Contact option. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about deleting this contact. To finalize, click Delete again to confirm. And that's it. The contact will be removed from your WhatsApp list. Keep in mind that deleting a contact on WhatsApp also removes them from your device's address book if they are synced. If this guide helped you, share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.